Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jamielle. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Today it's my first video on YouTube. Super excited. Long time coming, but it is here. But today I use the 3502 palette from Morphe, and I also use the Stunna lipstick from FENTY BEAUTY. So if you would like to see how I curated this look, please continue to keep watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. All my social medias will be on the description below, and all products that I use as well. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. Continue to watch. Alright, so we're going to start with eyes. I've already done my eyebrows, and I've already prepped my eyes with my concealer and set them with my Laura Mercier powder. We're going to start with the eyes. I am going to I'm going to use the 3502 palette. I'm so excited for this palette. I got a couple, maybe 2 months ago for Christmas, which I'm excited. So this is what I'm going to use today. I think I'm going to incorporate a little bit of the reds, a little bit of browns. Don't know if I'm going to do a little orange yet, but for sure going to do a little bit of red. So first we're going to just get a blendy brush and start with that transition shade. I'm going to pick up this second brown here. Just going to add a little bit and tap off the excess. And then start just to build it up in my crease. Increase brush here just to get a little more into my crease here. So then I am going to take, let's go with this brown here. It's a little deeper than the one we used before. That would just bring a little more depth into your eyes. Just a little bit, tap it off. And I like to start it, just pack it on the outer corner of your eye first. And then you can go and build it up. And then the fresh brush you use at the beginning, just go ahead and make sure you blend all of that as well. And then I'm gonna go in with the same crease brush that I just used. And I'm gonna pick up the red. So we're gonna go in with this shade here. Grab a little bit of the red and then go a little higher than where you put the second brown. What we're gonna do with a clean blending brush, we're just going to make sure that's all blended out. A little eyeshadow brush, and then just pack that on my lid. So the lid is a little more pigmented than the rest of the eye. And then we'll build that up and bring it and blend it up a little. My hair's in the way. And we're gonna go back in with that taper brush. I'm sorry, crease brush. And just go ahead and blend it out. Also, what you can do is, alrighty, and so for the fun part is glitter. So I got this glitter from NYX. Do is kind of more of a fake cut crease without really cutting my crease, but I am going to line my top lid with the gold glitter. Just give it a little bit of color and a pop of something extra because I'm a little extra. I love this this liner here. So what I'm going to do is just go above my crease. I do have hooded eyes, so I'm going to go just a little above my natural crease from the inner. And go halfway through. Just like that. I'm not going to bring it all the way out. For me, personally, I'm just going to leave it just like that. And then continue just to build it up. And then what I will do in a second is add more red around the line so the red is a little lifted up. Let's go with the next. Now, for the best part ever, highlights palette. I'm gonna go with golden bronze because it has became my favorite. Look at that, just is blinding you. My nose looks shiny. Shine bright like a diamond. Okay, so next we're gonna go with lips. So I for sure know that I'm going to use Miss Stunna from FENTY BEAUTY. For sure gonna use that one. And then I think I'm gonna go with, I found this one at TJ Maxx, y'all, for $14.99. So yeah, it's true. I've seen on Instagram, not me on YouTube. I'm like, yeah, right. These people are not finding. They're not finding this at TJ Maxx, but it was $14.99. So I think I'm going to go with one of these. Yeah. Can I see that? Hudson, and then we're gonna go with Stunna. Let's do Hudson first, because Stunna is a bitch to get off. I'm gonna line my lips with the Jordana Coco Loco lip liner. Let me know in the comment section which lip you like better. I'm digging this one like a little, I don't like it that much, but a little more than the Stunna. But I don't know, I think it's both really pretty. Love the way it came out. Any questions or anything, my social medias will be down below. Thank you so much for watching my first video. I loved how it came out. Super easy, fun. Thank you so much. Have a great one. Peace and love. I'll see you guys later. Bye.